Hello, good team. Steve Hamill here, Director of Operations with Populist Cleaning, and thank you for being a part of Populist Cleaning Company. We really appreciate your good work and for you choosing to work for Populist. You are the foundation of this company, and we are thankful for all that you do. You know, as each of us lives out the core values, working hard, showing commitment, showing respect, taking individual responsibility, and being professional. As we live those core values out, we are and will be successful as a company. Well, happy October. I love fall, and some of you really enjoy this time of year, but I know others of you are really struggling with the temperature changes and have not been feeling well. I hope that clears up for you soon and you feel better. You know, with the fall comes the pressing in of bugs and spiders into your sites, and I know you've been seeing those spider webs and bugs in those entryways. Make sure you pay special attention and clear those away. We've also found that leaves are beginning to blow in, and it takes a little bit of extra effort and time to get those entryways clean. But thank you for your good work and the attention to these matters. Well, lastly, I want to think about just a Traction Tidbit. You know, a principle for us is we never want to leave a facility soiled or more dirty than when we came. And one of the ways that we really demonstrate professionalism is by properly removing trash from a site. You know, it's common in our industry for people to collect trash and to set it on the ground while you either collect trash in another section or go do something else and then get it later in the night. Well, what happens is oftentimes there is wet trash and we stain carpet or even tile and flooring. And so we should never set down a bag. You want to make sure you're always wearing proper PPE. You want to grab that bag from the outside and pull it up and make sure you keep it away from your body. Never press down your hand inside of a trash bag. We've had even some people recently that received a needle stick by not being careful about this, or something sharp in a bag. And you always want to collect that trash and put it in a rolling barrel, a gondola, or some kind of a cart so that if it does leak, we can capture that up. If you absolutely have to, you can always place a new bag first on the ground and then set that trash on top of that bag. But always remove that trash in a proper way and show professionalism in this way. One other way that we show professionalism is by our janitor or janitor closet. You want to make sure that that closet is always neat and clean. There's nothing worse than opening up our janitor closet and there's equipment thrown on the ground, trash, dirty floors, a dirty slop sink. This always is a poor reflection upon you and upon Populist. I mean, there are real questions of whether we can clean a facility if our own closet that we own, you know, that we operate in is dirty and filthy and unorganized. All right. Thank you for your good attention to these things, and I wish you a happy October. Halloween's soon to come.